turn on the recording.
First, I have to set my
Yeah,
cards.
Riya can also come online. Okay, you both can show me magic.
Miss, I'm here only. Ma'am,
Okay.
he can.
No, but you need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
be. You need.
No,
to
miss, I'm
turn-
seeing. Miss, I'm
Okay.
seeing.
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes. I will not see the card. You will only see.
Okay.
See?
Seen.
Deck cut. Cut it and put it here.
I cannot see. Are you able to see the card?
No, you
Okay.
can try it once again.
Okay. I cannot see. I cannot see the card.
Now clear?
Keep it a bit far because I'm not able to see. Far. Okay. Done. Seen.
Done. Okay. I will break this deck and I will. Which one it was? Please take out another. I have forgotten one.
Oh. Okay. Seen
Okay.
this. Okay.
I have put
But
in
I
it.
have not seen the number on it. No, I cannot see it. You're moving it a lot. Okay, got it.
Okay. This is my deck.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then I will put it in this manner.
Uh-huh.
I will. No, 1 second. Sorry. I will. My hands are shaking. Why?
No problem. Relax.
Shuffled.
Okay, shuffled. Okay.
Now I will tell your card without seeing it.
Okay. How?
It is a trick.
Okay.
I know this.
This one is very easy. You want that?
No, it's not my card.
Okay. I have this.
Yeah, that is my card.
Number
It is
9.
It is the base. It is the base.
No, miss, it was like, ma'am, there is one more, ma'am, like take straight cards. Every card should be straight and just choose anyone and then show and then flip it
No.
like this and
No. It is not that one. It is not that one.
Okay, don't tell me the trick. Keep
Yes,
it
ma'am.
with you only.
okay,
Okay,
miss,
ma'am.
now mine.
Then,
Miss,
That
now
was
my
nice.
turn.
Okay.
then I will try my next magic.
Okay,
After
miss.
Ria. After Ria.
Yes,
Ria.
miss.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Ria. Go ahead.
Yes, miss.
You
Ma'am,
can-
see, ma'am,
oh,
there
you
is
can
nothing in
try
my hand.
one with Ria also.
Okay.
है ना? Okay,
Yes.
Vyom, listen to Ria. What is she?
Ma'am, see, there is nothing in my hands and nothing in the towel. See, nothing is in the
Okay.
Okay. And here I have took a bottle and then I'm going to cover it. And you can see there is nothing except from this bottle and see. Okay, ma'am, there is no another bottle.
Okay.
I will be covering the bottle
Okay.
and having a shape.
Okay.
And
Done.
then green water.
What? How?
Ma'am, she has put the Dettol type something
Right.
that.
Have you have put something in that?
No, miss, nothing. Miss, I showed you the bottle also, na ma'am. The water
Yeah.
was clean and there was nothing in my table.
No. Okay. That
Ma'am, the Dettol one, it's like
Miss, we are
that.
not having any Dettol in the home. It is finished.
that's interesting. Oh my God.
Really,
you
I'm
people are-
promising nothing.
Okay. No. Okay,
I'm ready.
fine. No, I believe
I
you,
am ready, ma'am.
but that's different.
Okay, ma'am.
Try
Ma'am, you.
one trick. Wait. Try the same thing with Ria. Let's see if you're able to guess her card or not.
1 second, ma'am. This one also. This is also very good. Ria,
Okay,
you will
tell
stay
me.
stop. Ria, you will stay stop. I will transport the card in this deck. You can
Okay.
count them. Okay. We have
Okay.
to put this card like this. Okay.
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 So I will transport the 3 cards. So they are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Close your eyes.
6, 1 second, 7, 8, 9, 10. The deck is over.
Okay.
The old card is back. And now the time of
Miss,
my
I think he should close his eyes because I think if he is flipping, he can see in the camera also.
No,
No,
it
what
is
is
quick that visible.
one? Okay, then Ria say stop. 1, 2, 3.
Stop.
The card is 3. Okay, 1, 2. Shuffle. The card is transferred. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 10
Okay.
plus 3, 30.
Okay. That's
Another.
good.
Okay, now
That's
one
very
more. One more you
nice.
want to
Miss,
see?
can I tell how did I did?
No, yeah. Don't reveal secrets.
And ma'am, can I do it one more?
You can.
Okay.
You
Ma'am,
can.
just
Let Vyom, because Vyom has things prepared, so he can do it first.
No, ma'am, I'm not prepared. I want something small thing to disappear it. Clearly.
Okay. I cannot give you. I have several things.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, we can do
You
this
can
one
take a
also.
coin, maybe? A coin?
1 second, ma'am. I have a chalk. It can be also. One more. It is also very good. I have nothing in my hand. It is a simple hole.
No, you have a card inside. I can
No.
Miss,
No.
ma'am, see. Wait, I
see.
should
Okay,
first.
Riya,
Ma'am, see.
he's doing something.
Okay,
Ma'am,
miss.
see.
See. Okay,
See.
there is nothing in your hand. Fine.
1, 2, 3.
Chalk. Okay.
And
Good.
one more, ma'am. This.
Okay.
This is not so good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
But we can see it.
Yeah, there was a card I saw.
Yeah, there was a card.
No, there was not a card. There was not a card.
I saw.
Now Ria can tell. I will tell. I will till then I will prepare my deck. Till then I will
Wait,
prepare
ma'am,
my
can I
deck.
tell?
Riya can
Next.
tell.
Okay, miss. I'm having some straight thing. Wait.
My God.
Ria, this one I will tell.
Okay. Well, let me check. Yeah, it is the. Yes, miss. So I'm having all some cards, and I'm going to be just say stop. Okay, miss.
Okay. Stop.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you your card. Miss, I'm looking at the back.
Okay. I cannot see. Shift it to your. Okay. So, ठीक है. देख लिया.
Okay, miss. Now, miss, now I will be shuffling all the cards. All the cards. I'm really not knowing what is your card.
Okay.
Ma'am, see. Miss, I'm shuffling it, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Shuffle.
I'm ready with my
And now I
cards.
will be taking your card.
Okay.
No, 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 no. Yes. This is your card.
Oh yeah, this is my card.
Ma'am, one more. Ma'am, this
that's correct.
card, this deck is shuffled properly.
Okay. ठीक है.
Properly. Now I will not see the card. You have seen?
Okay, I have seen.
Uno.
I will put it anywhere I want. मतलब anywhere. Like I am putting it anywhere.
Okay.
See. If you were there, you will put, but I am putting.
Okay. Put it.
Ouch. Okay, 1 second. Yes.
Okay. Fine.
Ma'am, this trick my daddy told me.
Now, this is a shuffle bunch. I will tell your card.
Okay.
Your card will be this one, I guess.
Yeah. It is. Interesting.
We are
You
magicians.
Oh my God, you kids are really good. Really good one.
Okay,
That's
miss.
nice. Any
Miss,
more?
mine is
Any
one more.
tricks?
Yes, ma'am. I have many more. I have forgotten.
Me
I
Then
think.
I have one last. One
Okay.
last one.
Ria can tell.
Riya
The
can
next
tell.
chance is of Ria.
Riya can
That's
tell.
Okay, miss.
One
Till
Yes.
then, I will think my magic. What? Next will I will show.
Okay, miss.
Riya?
Ma'am, can we have I'm just going to be showing you my table.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Can you see my table?
I can see your table.
It should
There
not
is
be
nothing.
falling. I'm putting my back face at this like this. Okay, miss. Now I will be putting some cards.
Okay.
Okay, miss. And then, miss, I'm going to be just, ma'am, choose any one. Ma'am, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ma'am, choose any one.
Number 2.
Okay, number 2. Now I will be just shuffling it. Oh, no. First, see your card, sorry. I'm
I
looking at
cannot
the
see.
back.
I cannot see. Move it towards your right. More right. More right. More. Okay, seen it. Done.
Okay, miss, done?
Done.
Yes, miss. Now I will be just shuffling it. Bit difficult shuffle.
Because they're just 3-4 cards. That's why. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Next. What?
And let me think. What is your card? Okay, miss. No and no, and I think this should be also no, and this should be yes. I think.
Okay, show it to me. Oh yeah, this is the card.
And miss, I think every card was different.
Every card is different. Nice things. Okay, that was the last trick of magic for today. We can have several other magic things when we meet the next time.
Miss,
Okay.
I want to play Uno with someone.
Ma'am, 1 second. I will disappear this chalk.
Huh.
1, 2, 3.
How?
Oh, sorry. 1 second. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it's falling.
No. I doesn't have it. No.
Voice
Doesn't.
came,
You
voice
can
came.
We heard the sound also.
Yeah.
But it was something else. You can see. You can see at my.
It was.
Okay,
I
he's
have this.
showing. Okay, we believe.
It was, miss. I know it was.
Okay, I will disappear one more. I will disappear one more. I can
He'll
disappear.
disappear one more.
I need something
Okay.
more small. Smaller like this.
Okay.
One. I will disappear it. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
It fell. Something fell.
No, he
I
clapped.
will 1 second. One more also.
He clapped.
Ma'am,
Before I believed.
ma'am, not in the table, but over here. Yeah, it was. Yeah, I
No,
saw.
I can show one more. Okay.
No,
How much
keep it
I
over
can?
here. Keep it over here and then do.
It is not a part of magic. I can't do
No
that.
part of magic.
It is. I know, miss. I know.
He will
Huh?
use his trick.
Miss, I know.
Yes. Okay. One more try.
Okay,
How much I will
last
put in
one.
my table? How much material I
Over
can?
here. Do it
One-
from here.
No. Why will he do it from up? The trick
One.
nahi chalegi na.
2. First. See. 1,
2, 3.
Where was? No voice. No nothing.
That's good.
Do it over here like this.
That's
Over
good.
here like this. Do over like this. I think he put it over here.
No.
No,
See.
don't guess the tricks now.
No.
Magic is magic.
I'm knowing. Okay.
Magic is magic.
Okay.
Okay, that was good.
Can
That
I
was
tell
nice.
my trick of this one?
No, don't reveal your secret. Magicians should never reveal the secret.
Okay.
Never. Okay, so I will be giving you one topic right now to prepare.
Okay.
Abhi main dungi, right? I will give you 5 minutes. And
Okay, ma'am.
after that, you will give a stage presentation.
Okay, ma'am. Ready.
Okay? The topic
Yes.
is my country, India.
Okay.
Thank you.
So my country, India, you can have it in the form of a poem. You can have it in the form of a speech. आप speech भी लिख सकते हैं, आप poem भी लिख सकते हैं because Riya is good at poetry. So you can write a poem also.
Miss,
But
I
you
wrote
have to
a
explain.
poem on India a few days ago.
No, not that one. A new prose right now you have to write.
Okay, miss. Just a second.
A speech or a poem. But if you're telling a poem, you need to explain also. आपको पूरी स्टेज प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है, अपने नेम से शुरू करना है, आपको टॉपिक बोलना है एंड उसके बाद में जो आपकी स्पीच या पोएम है वो बोलनी है. स्पीच है तो इट इज अंडरस्टूड कि आप क्या क्या चीजें बोलेंगे, और अगर पोएम है तो आपको उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है.
Miss, can I show you
क्या
something?
लिखा है. आपके 5 मिनट शुरू
No,
हो
no.
गए. ओह शिट.